Okay, so here's the inaugural AST video. As you can see, we've just beat up the grass. Verified the living daylights out of it. The darker strip at the end there has been watered before I decided to take the video, so you can ignore that. As you see, the rest of it looks pretty consistent. The other half has had the quarter penical and 1 pound of N from the 2005 and 6 pounds of iron from the 6014. And we shall see how it goes. This is on the day of application, and it is the 31st of March. So see, I hope. The holes are still pretty wide open. It was aerified 2 days ago. And we'll see how it heals up, grass behaves, and how everything does. This is actually the dividing line between the plots. And so to the left we will call plot 1, and to the right we'll call plot 2, and we'll see how it all behaves. So we will keep you advised. Okay, day 3, April 3rd, and we're looking down the deal. In the foreground is plot 2, on the back side there's plot 1. And I think we're starting to see a little something. Shadow's just going to check this thing out and see how it feels. There's no real appreciable difference yet in the way the aerification holes are healing up, but I think we're starting to see some different response on the grass, although I guess that's to be expected at this early stage. So again, on the left is plot 2, on the right is plot 1. Well, here we are at 30 days, and we can still clearly see the colour difference between the two plots. We're so definitely seeing better healing on aerification holes. In fact, they're really hard to spot on this side, where you can still make them out on the other plot. Now, that's interesting. Turf density, I would say, is significantly better on this side, as I could attest just having mowed the thing. And I would say it's looking pretty good. So again, this is at 30 days after the date of application. Okay, so we're now May 18th, so it is approximately coming up on day 50, and you know, I think we can still see some difference in the two plots. Again, it's 419 on a sand base, and the plot over here has had obviously its second fairway NPK application. The plot over here that had the protein methylene urea has just had a small P and K app, as indicated by the soil reports. So here we are, and we've got the ladies are enjoying the playing surface, so they're in good shape. Interesting thing here, I think, if we look down, hopefully this will go close in. Again, this is the protein side. I'm still thinking that the turf density on this side is probably somewhat superior to a typical area on the other regular spray side, which is kind of interesting because that's hanging on, and you know, I think you can still make out some of the aerification holes on this side where Obviously, because of the density of the turf, it's harder to do that on the protein side. So I would say so far so good, and our expectation on this root zone was to get 60 days, so we're looking as though that's going to hang on. Again, clippings, I would say from mowing it's probably close on 50% more on the protein side than on the other plot. But to give you an idea, I mean, I mowed the thing a couple of days ago. It hadn't been mowed for a week, and with a 18-inch reel mower set, as you can see, what I would call pretty much fairway height, I double cut it and got 3 baskets off the 5,000 square feet. So I would think that's good growth without being excessive. So far so good. We will keep you advised.